Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a very quick Halloween dress project. But first I want to invite you to our Facebook group called RT Create, Make and Share, and I left the link in the description down below. So if you like this dress, I'm going to show you very quickly how to put it together. I use Too Cute Too Spook collection designed by Paula Machado. As you can see, the color palette is perfect for Halloween, especially with the design papers included. At the bottom of every single design paper, you've got a number that you can refer to, which always makes your life easier if you want to create the same project a couple of times. You can get this collection as 12 by 12 inches printed, or you can get it as a digital copy as well, which means yes, you can print it as many times as you want. What I really like about this collection, the designs are just so fun to work with. It will be perfect for teenagers, children, but also for very quick makes, like in this case we're going to create a dress Halloween card, because why not? So first, I have a thought what I can do. So you can create your own dress template if you want, using your copy paper, pencil, just fold it in half and then create your dress pattern. Or, like in this case, I use free SVG file from katadesign.com, and I'll leave the link to that website and the particular SVG file in the description down below if you want to check it out. However, it is only for personal use, so you cannot sell your make unless you buy the license. So yes, I'm going to use that design paper, and our dress is ready, and I have so much left over, so I can use the design paper for future projects as well. And also, I used the same SVG file, and I cut it twice from 300 GSM white multi-purpose card. And all the names of the products I used in today's video you can check in the description down below. Using my ScanNCut machine, I also use orange card, and I cut Trick or Treat. And now it is time to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to assemble all those elements together. And what's really good about Halloween, you don't have to be very strict how to put your letters to create your sentiments. You can go up and down, diagonal, whatever you want. And that's what I really like about Halloween. I wonder, have you seen my card from yesterday using different collection from Relatively Thoughtful Halloween? If you haven't seen the Halloween camper van, the link is in the top right corner. And I also wonder, have you ever created a card in the shape of a dress? If you have, please let me know what was the color combo. Now it is time to put some smaller elements, and I actually used the front design paper to do it, because why not? No one stops you for doing it, and I thought those pumpkins were actually the best size for this dress. And when I was creating this dress, I was actually thinking of Cruella. And I wonder, have you seen that film? What do you think about her and her beautiful dresses? I really hope she would really like that dress and she would wear that as well. If you agree, please let me know in the comments down below. I also wanted to let you know that every Saturday I will have video with Halloween collection from Relatively Thoughtful with the old collection, which is still beautiful and I absolutely love it. And on Sunday I'll have a video with Paula Machado collection. So stay tuned for all those videos, because I'm planning to create 2 more videos with that collection. As you can see, I'm trying to see where all those elements will fit on the dress, so it's always a good idea to have a dry run first before you start assembling the whole card together. It is super simple to put all those elements, and I use double-sided foam adhesive to give it a little bit of dimension, because why not? Good designs also have some dimension, so I thought let's add that dimension on the dress as well. And if you have created cards with dress shapes, please let me know if you use SVG files or maybe cutting dies, or maybe you do have your favorite cutting die in the shape of a dress. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wonder, have you ever used SVG files to create your shaped cards? If you haven't, maybe today is the day. If you have Cricut or ScanNCut machine. Now I'm trying to create a belt for my dress because I thought it really missed something in the middle. So let's add a little bit more definition to the whole dress, and later on I decided to add some gems as well because, you know, we do need sparkle, especially dresses. And I do wonder, how often do you use gems on your projects? Have you ever used gems for Halloween projects? If you haven't, maybe this video will inspire you to do so. As you can see, this cut is just super simple to create. I think in total it took me about 18 minutes to put everything together, including all cutting files. Super simple. So yes, check this project, and I really hope you feel inspired to create a shaped cut for Halloween this year. As you can see, using my scoring board, I'm creating a top flap, and it is time to put those elements together. So we're going to have the front and the back panel. And this is amazing about shaped cuts. They stand very proudly on a flat surface, and yes, you do have lots of space to write your message inside. And now it is time for that sparkle, so yes, all the gems are here. At the top, around the belt, and also at the bottom of the dress. And please let me know, what do you think about this project? Do you feel inspired to create a shaped cut this Halloween? I'm really curious, so let me know. And don't forget about our Facebook group called RT Create, Make and Share. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you tomorrow for personalized cards. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now. See you in my next video.